Today we have some exciting news for the smartphone world. ZTE-backed Nubia has just launched their latest flagship, the Z50S Pro. The powerhouse of a device comes packed with top-notch features and cutting-edge technology. So let's dive into the details and explore what makes this smartphone stand out from the crowd. At the heart of the Nubia Z50S Pro is the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. With up to a staggering 16 GB of RAM, you can say goodbye to any lag or slowdowns. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or tackling productivity tasks, this phone can handle it all effortlessly. One of the standout features of the Nubia Z50S Pro is its camera system. The smartphone boasts a triple camera setup on the back, headlined by a whopping 50-megapixel primary sensor. This ensures that your photos and videos come out rich in detail and clarity. The cameras are neatly housed in a large circular camera island, giving the phone a distinct and stylish look. And let's not forget about the front camera, a 16-megapixel shooter for all your selfies and video calls. Say goodbye to mediocre selfies, as this device captures every moment in crystal clear resolution. The Nubia Z50S Pro features a gorgeous 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1260 to 2800 pixels. The display offers a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and an ultra-responsive 1000Hz touch sampling. Whether you're watching videos, gaming, or simply browsing, the visuals on this screen will be nothing short of stunning. With all this power under the hood, you might be worried about the battery life. Fear not, the ZTE Nubia Z50S Pro comes equipped with a hefty 5100 mAh battery that will keep you going all day long. And when it's time to recharge, the phone supports 80-watt fast charging, so you can say goodbye to lengthy charging times and get back to using your phone in no time. Now let's talk about pricing and availability. The Nubia Z50S Pro offers 3 storage configurations to choose from. The base model with 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage starts at CNY 3699. For those craving more space, there's a 12 GB RAM plus 1 TB storage variant priced at CNY 3999. And for the ultimate power users, there's a top-tier 16 GB RAM plus 1 TB storage option available at CNY 4399. As for colorways, the phone comes in 3 exciting options: black coffee, khaki, and a special edition in mirror of light shade. In conclusion, the ZTE Nubia Z50S Pro is true powerhouse that offers top-of-the-line performance, a stunning camera setting, a vibrant display, and long-lasting battery life with fast charging. If you're in the market for a flagship smartphone that won't disappoint, this might just be the one for you. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Until next time, happy tech exploring.